Hi guys, and welcome to another beer log. I'm back here with Andrew from Shortlist / Mr. Hyde on another exciting pub crawl in which me and him get metaphorically and physically closer and closer together. That's where the mic is, that's actually quite helpful.
Hello.
We're in another tiny Soho pub. I say another, this is the first time we've done Soho, I think.
Yeah, I mean, is it Soho? Is it Covent Garden?
Is it Covent Garden? I don't know or care.
Central London.
Yeah, which is a bit of a desert for great beer, but there are amazing places, and for this particular pub crawl, incredible spaces in which to enjoy your beer. So today's pub crawl is all about amazing pubs that time kind of forgot.
Yeah, old school pub crawl. So almost rhymes. Almost rhymes. Yeah,
we're trying.
So we started off the Tupin,
yes,
which is quite something. Has more Guinness paraphernalia than the Guinness brewery.
It probably does.
And an incredible pint of Guinness.
It's a great pint of Guinness. It's one of those places where they've got, I'd say they have like 6 lines downstairs, 3 lines upstairs. So we came in, ordered 3 pints of Guinness, and they can pour them all at the same time.
Yeah.
I do like a bit of the black stuff.
Quite similar to yours.
It's not Bovril.
And it probably used to be bigger. They've just put so much stuff on the walls now. It's just
Really
shrunk.
restricting it, yeah.
It's very small. And also, in the heart of Soho, which is, all very trendy and everything, it's nice to find somewhere like that it's been preserved.
Yeah. It's preserved, and it starts quiet and it gets rowdy, which is how you want a pub. So yeah, it's great. So then we moved on to the Heart. Which is me and Brad's, it's in our book. It's one of the best pubs in London. Really, really historical, really old, probably the thinnest pub in history. There's so many reasons to come apart from just the way it looks, including Harvey's on cask, Dark Star on cask now, of course, Colonel, a permanent Colonel tap, which doesn't really exist anywhere. And then, of course, some great Fuller's beers as well. So we've been enjoying London Pride, ESB, all that kind of stuff. It's a great place to come, really old school. The kind of place you don't really stand there with a SLR and film, but we're doing it. We're doing it.
Bless them for letting us.
Yes, thank you.
Kicking us out.
And then after that, we're off to the Cross Keys, right?
Yes, the Cross Keys, one of the last reservoirs of Brody's.
Yeah, so Brody's a great East London brewery that have always been on the fringes of the scene. Make fantastic beer, we'll cut to that. Can we have one of all the taters?
Service with a smile.
Oh, it's like a charm. But, well, they've just lost King William IV, which is a real loss, and it's turning into flats, so that's gutting. But you still have the Cross Keys, which is an absolutely amazing space.
I used to come here about 15 years ago when I was at college, and it hasn't changed, which is quite amazing. Still the power ballads.
It's almost like that's the point of the tour we're doing.
Almost,
right?
Thomas More, one of my favourite Sir Thomases.
How many favourites do you have in the Thomas line?
Thomas Beckett. Tank engine.
Which is 7 stars, which is your suggestion.
7 stars is my suggestion, despite the fact I have not been there for many years.
What's going on?
I feel like I've been here before.
Yeah. Because you have, Brad.
But it is one of those places that is a real oasis. It's in amongst all the law courts, all the inns of court, and it's generally full of solicitors, I think.
Yeah, apparently the lawyers celebrate there.
Yeah.
My kind of people.
Yeah, so if they manage to put someone down, not like an animal.
Put someone down?
Not like an animal.
What?
It's not like you put them down for 20. You put them down for 20.
Right, I see, in jail.
Yeah.
Well, it's still bleak, but yeah.
Yeah, so that's where they go and get drunk and celebrate. But it's apparently,
Incarceration.
you know, it's a pub with lots of character and characters. Film posters. They all have a legal angle to them,
Holy shit.
And there's
Yeah.
a pub cat and a pub dog.
which is going some.
Which is the start of a comedy right there.
Hey. You know, if they can learn to get along,
Can't we all?
can't we all?
Can't we all?
Right?
I find you ironic saying that in a place where the tablecloths are literally designed for an Italian man to be shot on. Yeah.
Which is very important.
Yeah.
And hopefully some really nice beer.
Yeah. And so we're near the end of our historical tour. There's been a lot of strange talk. The kind of talk that might land you in this place, which is the Old Bailey. But we're headed to the Blackfriars, which is one of the most beautiful buildings in London. And hopefully for some great beer in the fridge, because let's be honest, what's on tap might not be so hot.
Yeah, architecturally beautiful, and was saved. It almost got flattened in the 1960s, but it was saved by Sir John Betjeman, the man who wanted to drop bombs on Slough.
Don't just laugh, you learn on this channel.
Yeah, yeah.
This is some weird shit, right?
Except it's not written shit.
No. I mean, look at
The
this.
story's good and
Look at
so
this egg guy. This is. It must be.
wisdom is
What's he
rare.
called? Who's the egg that fell off the wall?
Humpty Dumpty.
Look.
You saying that's Humpty Dumpty?
Yes, definitely. Look at it.
Well, I mean, I like this one. Industry is. Oh, I read that as industry is ale. Oh, that's not as good. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Please do check out our book on all the best London pubs, London breweries and crawls. The Hyde, of course, appears as one of the best ones in the country, let alone in London. There are some amazing pubs all over the country that time has completely forgotten, so please let us know what your favourites are.
Yeah, and if you have any suggestions for other crawls, you know, whether it's a theme or a type of pub or anything like that, let us know and we'll try and make it happen.
Sweet.
Cheers.